welcome to my craft room. So I thought I would show you a tour of my craft room. It's not perfect. I'm still working on getting some stuff, reorganized and trying to figure out where to put stuff that I use more and maybe getting rid of stuff that I don't use anymore, reusing the storage from that. But I wanted to go ahead and show you anyway, and then maybe I'll do an update later. I have a lot of space in the middle. I had a filing cabinet right here yesterday and I moved it into the closet. It was just in the way. I wasn't using it. I got it from work and I just wasn't using it, so I moved it into the closet. So let's go ahead and get started. So before I get started first, sorry. So we just moved into this apartment last year in April so that I could have a craft room, because the apartment we lived in was only one bedroom, and I had like a little craft corner in the dining area, but I didn't really use it that much because I didn't have any privacy to film videos or anything. So we moved into this apartment so I could have a room, and I'll put some pictures of me setting it up and everything and what it looked like, the disaster it was once we moved everything in, and just the progress of me setting it up. I just wanted to show you what it looks like, and like I said, I'll do an update later once I get everything organized better. So let's go ahead and start over here, and I'll work my way around this way. So this is my printer stand. I got the rack from Target. It was black and I spray painted it brown. I really like the way it looks. And then down there at the bottom, the paper with some of those cube racks that I put together. I bought those on Amazon. And then this one here, the same. I bought these and put this rack together for my 12 by 12 paper. And then that's just my trash bag. Sorry about that. And the box there I need to get rid of. It's essential oils. I have a wood box that I need to put them in, but I need to stain it because it's unfinished. So that's one of my projects. And then over here is a calic unit that I bought. I couldn't find it in white because this was during right after COVID started. So every time I would find it in white, they would sell out. So I just bought it in the espresso color. I was like, well, maybe I can paint it later if I want, but I haven't done that yet. So I have these shelves too, or these little cubes that also come from IKEA, and I just have more paper, and not ephemera, but just paper. And then I have this here that I took out some stuff and I used when I did my dye and storage. I put this here. I saw a video of somebody that did something like this, not the same, but I don't think that's in my stamp and die storage video. I have another one here that I emptied just in case I need it. And then up at top I got some more IKEA, what do you call those? Boxes? Sorry, I can't think straight. So this one here has all my inks in it. This one is wood stamps, so I don't have anywhere to keep them, so I just keep them in here. This one I think is more ink. Let me move this because it's gonna fall. Yeah, this one is more ink. Paint and stuff like that. Oh, that's heavy. Yeah, paint, some more ink, spray stains. I have two of those. This one is in that one there. Walnut ink, shoe polish. This is antiquing wax that I use when I make faux leather. And then this one is paint that I use sometimes also to make faux leather, and that's what that is. And then the last one there is just all my glues. I forgot to clean this up here, but this is where I keep just this desk doesn't have any drawers. So I just have that there. And I'll talk about that in a minute. So this is where I keep stuff little clamps. These I got from Dollar Tree. A mouse for my iPad, chapstick, blue light glasses that I never use. Actually, I'm gonna grab a pair of those. And then this one just has eyelets, brads, stuff like that. All my memory cards and other stuff for the iPad to connect it to the computer and the memory cards. That one's a microphone that I should be using, just extra cords. And then this one has just lace, as you can see, and then some more brads down there, and I think there's some ephemera. So So yeah, I just wanted to show you what was in there. And then I forgot to show you this too. There's just more scrap paper and then some tabs that I cut with my tab punch board. So I just wanted to show you that. So I got this sign here from Target. It was like a bright pink color and I didn't like it, so I spray painted it like that and I just put it there. I might hang it up somewhere because it's always falling when I take this box down. So I might hang it. I had it hanging in my other apartment. I had it hanging over this thing up here. I just put some like, what do they call that stuff? Well, some string. And hung it up like that with a tack. I might do that again because it's in the way there. But anyway, so yeah, this is just some books that I haven't read. I need to do something with those. Old journals, more paper, like 8.5 by 11 paper. This is where I keep most of my like vintage stuff. I had my stamps in there too, but since I redid my stamp storage, they're gone now, or moved. My Cricut maker. I make stickers and cut ephemera and like t-shirts and stuff like that when I want to. And then down there is like infusible ink and other like Cricut stuff. My filming equipment back there, and that one there. And then them ones back there are just more, I think that one down on the bottom is just scraps. And then that one there is like one of them has got my sewing stuff in it. The box on top is like a little kit to put sew junk journals together, and then some lights back there that I need to put up, but I need to get another surge protector. Then these all just have like all the stuff that I use. I used to make a lot of like lip balms and like my face oil and stuff like that, so that's all that stuff. This one too. I don't really go in there much anymore but I don't know where to move it, and it works. So, and then this is where I do all of my videos, like filming and stuff like that. This is a file cabinet that I actually got from a surplus store here in Austin. It was only $15, so I was like, I gotta get it because I was looking for, like I said, I had a file cabinet over here and it's in that closet now. I wanted something with smaller drawers like these here and the two on the top. And it's just mostly, right now, I need to go through it too. It's kind of a mess. It's kind of like a catch-all, because since I said this desk doesn't have any drawers, you know, it's kind of like just a catch-all for whatever I need right at hand. This one is definitely a catch-all. This is where I keep just everything that I need. So, yeah, you can see. And then this one down here, I'm thinking about putting some hanging file folders in here to put like the ephemera in, or like scrap paper and stuff like that. But for now, it's another catch-all drawer of like stuff that I've just recently bought. Mostly, I think most of that stuff's all the Tuesday morning stuff that I bought that I hauled in a video recently. So there's that. And then this is my cart from Michael's. And right now, like I said, I'm trying to figure out what to do with all my like scraps and ephemera and stuff like that. So right now, it's in here until I figure that out. And so that's what all that is. This is all just, yeah, scraps and stuff that's for projects that I'm working on. There's 2 tea bags that I've taken apart. These are like ephemera that I cut recently. This is like just ephemera, like I said, for projects that I'm working on. And this is my stamps. It's still a work in progress. I did some more yesterday. Yeah, these are all my stamps, and there's some dies in the back. These are all the vintage ones and all the vintage dies. And then these are all like just the other ones that aren't vintage. Yeah, that's what that is. I'm still working on getting all those in pockets. And then that is, I don't know what that stuff's called, but I'm working on a recipe box for my man's sister, and it's not working out very well. This is the stuff here, and it's just not working out. I just got frustrated. And then this is just the scraps of like the other stuff that my boyfriend got it from me from work, so I was just able to use it for like scrapbooking. I mean, not scrapping, sorry, journaling. This is just another cube shelf that I put together. I needed more storage, and like just had these here on the floor, and then that there too. That's all my like punch boards and stuff like that from We Are Memory Keepers. They're kind of hard to get out sometimes, but that's okay. And then this is not part of my crafting area except for, well, the sewing section is, but this is my nail desk. I do my own nails, and so I had to set that up in here too. And this apartment's not super big, so, you know, but that's not part of this video, so. But this is my sewing machine that I use to sew on junk journals and paper and stuff like that. The drawers all just have nail stuff in them. Down there too is all nail stuff. This one here is a drawer from, I think I got from Walmart like years ago, that I just keep mostly just planner stuff in. I don't do much with planning right now, but if I do, I have it. Or else I just need to get rid of it. There's just like stuff for the dies, to like magnets and stuff like that, to put the dies on when I get ready to store them. And then this is where I had most of my stamps that aren't that were the ones over there, that they were in here, and these are ones that, like this one here, are ones that I don't want to keep. I'm going to be getting rid of. And these ones here are just ones that I still need to put in pockets. And so I'm trying to figure out like these smaller ones like this here. I don't want to put them in those bigger pockets like that because I don't want to waste it. And then these are all my embossing folders. I'm not sure if I'm going to put those. I'll probably put those in there too. But anyway. And this is just like a little storage corner. I have the mini mink and the big one back there. And an old nail lamp. Some more vinyl for the Cricut. And then this up here is just like a little, I don't even know what you call this thing. Whatever it's called. This thing. Sorry. That just has some stuff that I reach for once in a while, like markers, you know, keep forgetting I have this, some inks and stuff like that, some punches. I think there's markers in here. I don't know what's in there. Oh yeah, markers. And then this one here, I made this when I first moved here to Austin with crates from Joann's. Just has my laminator, this drawer here that I spray painted, and just keeps well, that's Cricut stuff that I need to go through this and get rid of, or like move it so that I can use it for something else, because I don't use any of this stuff. And then some 6 by 6 paper pads here. This here is just like a box that I kept because I like the way the inside looks. I thought it looked vintagey. So I kept it so I can use it for junk journals. So I don't know why I kept it there, but I just didn't move it. There's my Sizzix Big Shot, or Big Kick, on my cutting tools down there. Some scissors, that like the decorative scissors. There's all the dies down in the bottom that I need to put up in like pockets and on the magnets. I was gonna do that yesterday, but I changed my mind. And then this here is like more Cricut stuff, and like more like, well, sticker making stuff, and yeah, mostly just sticker making stuff. These are the ones here I just got recently, and then just t-shirts for Cricut. More dies in here that I need to go through, and then like there's laminating sheets in here too for the laminator, stickers, stuff like that I need to use. I actually have curtains that I wanted to put up in here, and I haven't done it yet. I need to go get a curtain rod and some command strips because I don't want to punch holes in the wall. But yeah, I have curtains that, like I said, if I do a update tour later, then hopefully I'll have them up. We're only in this apartment for another 14 months. We just signed another lease, unfortunately. But yeah, I think that's it. I don't really have much else to say. Like I said, it's not much and it's not perfect. Like I said, I'm looking for ways to store ephemera and scraps, so if you have any ideas, let me know, because I really need help with that. I've been watching videos, but I just, I'm still working on it. I might make an ephemera book, but like to put the bigger scraps in, I'm not sure. Or like I said, I'll put like file folders down there in the bottom drawer, and then just have to figure out what to do with that stuff because I need more storage. Yeah, so that's something, like I said, that I'm working on, and like I said, reorganizing, figuring out what to get rid of and what to keep, and then reusing the storage that it was in. Like, I don't think I can get rid of the stuff in there. I just can't do it. But yeah, so I'm not going to show you the closet. It's not that bad, but like I said, oh yeah, I guess I'll show you. It's not, it's a big closet. This is actually the spare bedroom, so I'm not sure why like walk-in closets in this room because our room doesn't have one. So I thought that was weird. But anyway, it makes good storage. That's like craft stuff that I moved in here to get it out of the way. Cereal boxes to make junk journals, like stuff up there, the paper bags to make faux leather, but yeah, that's that. I don't have any, I need to put some like wall art up or something. I have like a mirror there in the back, and then like a big picture of Audrey Hepburn that I used to have in the living room in the old apartment, and I just haven't hung it up yet. It's too big for this room. Maybe I could put it up there. I don't know. So like I said earlier too, this is where I film all my videos, and so I have this like arm here. Let me get on this side because it seemed to be a shadow that I got from Amazon, and I just like hooked it to the back of the desk there. And then I have a ring light that I just stuck in. I saw somebody do this on eBay, oh my god, YouTube. eBay, really? So it works. But yeah, I just put this here, and that way all I had to do is push the button to get it to turn on, and then you can change the like temperature of the light, turn it up and down. And my laptop there, and my iPad. I use my iPad mostly for editing because it's faster than the laptop. And I use DaVinci Resolve, the free version. I have it on both the laptop and the iPad, but I use it on the iPad more because my laptop's just not fast enough to run it. But yeah, it's just really convenient, the iPad. I love that thing. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you liked my room. Let me know in the comments what you think, or if you have any ideas of what I could do for storage. Sorry for the trash truck outside. They come whenever the heck they want. But anyway, figures. Yeah, so I hope you liked the video, and give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know in the comments what you thought, or give me any ideas, like I said, for storage ideas. And yeah, so I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.